Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Google reCAPTCHA on staging forms for UX debugging step by step clearly. To disable Google reCAPTCHA on your staging forms, begin by accessing your staging environment. Log in to your website's content management system. Navigate to the form settings where reCAPTCHA is currently enabled. Locate the section where the reCAPTCHA integration is set up. This may be found under Security Settings or Form Configuration. Depending on your platform, there may be a toggle switch for enabling or disabling reCAPTCHA. If a toggle is not available, locate the reCAPTCHA keys used for implementation. Remove or comment out the code snippet that integrates reCAPTCHA into your form. If your forms are built using a plugin, search for the reCAPTCHA settings within the plugin options. Temporarily deactivate the reCAPTCHA feature by unchecking any relevant options. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. Next, clear the cache of your staging environment if applicable. This will ensure the changes are reflected immediately. Proceed to the front end of your staging site. Load the form to verify that reCAPTCHA is no longer appearing. Perform a test submission to ensure the form functions properly without reCAPTCHA. After verifying, you can proceed with your UX debugging efforts. Remember to document any changes made for future reference. Once your testing is complete, consider re-enabling reCAPTCHA for further reviews or live environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.